Here's a simple and easy trick you can do at home to make your own candles, and they smell fantastic. Carefully cut along the outside of an orange. You can break into the meat a little bit, but try to avoid it if possible. Then carefully stick your fingers into the orange and around the edges. Carefully scoop the meat part of the orange out, but keep as much of the stem in place as possible. This may take a couple tries to get. Take olive oil and fill it up to about the 3/4 line of your orange. When you pour it in, make sure you pour it onto the stem so it absorbs as much oil as possible. Now the lighting. It's not immediate. You're going to have to keep fire to that stem for anywhere from 20 to 30 seconds. Once it lights up though, it looks fantastic, and with that amount of oil should last anywhere from 6 to 8 hours.